Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In this video we are going to learn about the Python. Introduction to Python. In this we are going to learn about what is Python, history of Python, why Python, features of Python and applications of Python. What is Python? Python is a simple, general purpose, high level and object oriented programming language. This Python is very easy to learn compared to the other programming languages. History of Python. This Python was developed by Guido van Rossum. The implementation of the Python was started in 1989 December. Python version 1.1 was released in January 1994. Python version 2.0 was released in October 2000. Python version 3.0 was released in December 2008. Next, why we need to learn Python? Because of easy syntax. The meaning of syntax is the set of rules that defines how a program will be written and interpreted. This Python program has very easy syntax compared to other programming languages. This Python programming is user-friendly language, very easy to understand, and it is used in many applications. Next, features of Python. 1. Easy syntax. Syntax is nothing but set of instructions to write the program. 2. Free and open source. Python is freely available for everyone. The open source means anyone can download its source code without paying anything from the website. 3. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. It means the Python program is executed one line at a time. The advantage of being interpreted language, it makes debugging and easy portable. 4. Large standard libraries. It provides a vast range of libraries for the various fields such as machine learning, web developer and also for the scripting. There are various machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPys, etc. Django, Flask, Pyramids are the popular framework for Python web development. 5. Object-oriented programming language. Python is object-oriented programming language. 6. Dynamic memory allocation. In Python, we don't need to specify the data type of a variable. When we assign some value to the variable, it automatically allocates the memory to the variable at runtime. 7. Cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. So, we can say that Python is a portable language. It enables programmers to develop the software for several competing platforms by writing a program only once. Next, applications of Python programming language. Python is used in many applications like web and internet development, desktop graphical user interface applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, graphics 3D games, and networking programming, etc. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe. Thank you.